What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. We're here in fucking Miami. I brought Ron over here. So now I don't know what the fuck he's gonna do. This is kind of more of my shit. He's the fucking king of the Asians. Now there's no fucking Asians here, so I don't know what the fuck he's gonna do. I'm over here at my boy's shop, Foreign Affairs Miami. He does car rentals. He fixes up cars and shit. He's cool as fuck. He's got a sick ass. We don't even know what the fuck this color is called. I guess Audi doesn't tell you what it is. It looks like signal green to me, but I'm not really sure what it's called. It's sick ass factory color. It's got exhaust and shit. He's gonna let us whip this around. He does all these other cars. He's got this 580 here, which actually brings back memories for those of you guys that know. But yeah, we out here. You gonna fuck anyone?
It's gonna fuck you, dude. Pussy.
So the boy Larry right here, Foreign Affairs Miami. And there's the boy Pavel right here. What's up, guys? You wanna say the type of shit you do, or did I fucking hit it already?
Yeah, I think you hit it.
You fix up shit, you fucking do whatever, you fucking rent a cars out, you do all kinds of shit. He showed me all these BMWs and crazy shit that he's done in the past. So, pretty cool guy, he fucking came through. So, yeah, we're gonna whip this around for just have a ride. At least it's modded. You don't wanna drive a fucking stock car. You're gonna look like a so at least this is modded. It's got exhaust though. It's got exhaust, so it's modded.
Pop the hood.
That's the worst shit is when you see, when I see people in renter cars and shit, you can tell it's a renter car if it's bone stock, fucking crazy lifted, fucking no mods, no exhaust. I don't like that shit. So when he said this is exhaust, it is modded a little bit, it made me feel better because, you know how it is. You don't want to be in a fucking stock car, right? That's just how I am.
Shut the fuck up. That guy's an idiot. Basically, he's a big pussy.
Oh, all right. Yeah. We're gonna mob out of here. I'm gonna tag the shop over here. We're gonna go to South Beach. We're gonna check in our hotel. I gotta get the best pizza in the world. Best pizza in the fucking world is in Miami. I've been to Italy. I've been everywhere. The best pizza's here. It's called Mr. 01. We're gonna fucking go over there. I'm gonna show you guys. Ron's gonna suck my dick. I'll see you guys there. Peace. This is the best pizza place in the world. It's in an office building. Random. It's in an office building. Super, super fucking random. All right. Ron said he's gonna fucking pay for my meal and suck my dick. Huh, Ron?
This guy's a fucking
I'm not kidding you. This is the best pizza place. It used to be called Visa 01. And because that's the visa type that you needed to come over to the country back then, and they just changed it to Mr. 01. But I swear to God, guys, I've had pizzas in Chicago, I've had pizzas in Rome and Italy and fucking
He's never been in Chicago, he's full of shit.
Yeah, I've been to Chicago, and this is by far the best fucking pizza in the whole world. The best. So I'm gonna show you guys what's up. Guys. Okay. And by the way, they do something with their dough over here that I could eat a whole fucking pizza and I won't get full.
Forget about it!
It's something weird about their dough. I forgot they explained it once, but you guys can look it up. And this is like a cold cheese pizza. Honestly, fuck you guys, we're gonna eat this shit right now. So it's pretty good, Ron?
Hey man, let's just say I'm gonna drop a little Mr. 02, you know what I'm saying?
Oh shit. Fucking perfect weather. All right, guys. We're gonna go check in the hotel. Ron's salivating.
Mark's gonna basically fucking
Ron's salivating to suck my dick, so.
Hey guys, so you know, Mark's knows my goddamn cards on the room here. You had to grab a box of Snickers, and it's probably like $50 Snickers, dude. I don't know who this fucking guy thinks he is.
Shut the fuck up.
This pussy.
You guys wanna know how much of a fucking Ron is? Look at this shit. Look at my fucking story. Let's see here.
Fuck are you showing them?
Hold on. Did it go away? Fuck!
What?
God damn it.
What?
I was gonna prove to you guys. I used the fucking Welcome to Miami fucking song first.
No,
and
fuck
then
that.
and then
Dude, I gave him the idea.
Shut up. And then now this guy has it on his fucking story after me.
Listen. This fucking idiot put Getting Jiggy with It with Will Smith, like a fucking uncultured swine.
That was a mistake.
And I was like, dude, I was gonna do Miami, and he's like, oh yeah, that's a song. I'm a fucking dumb Muslim, dude.
You're stupid, dude. Look at this view.
This is where Mark's gonna jump off. Farewell, guys, to the vlogs.
Dude, imagine if my camera just fucking. Fuck!
Are you afraid of heights?
Yeah. So is everyone's afraid of heights.
Fucking pussy.
Anyway, guys, Ron's gonna give me a fucking tuggy before we go out, right? Hey, fucking Chinese.
Fuck up, dude.
Give me some of your fucking Chinese ancestors' fucking little bit of love on my fucking pee-pee, dude.
Dumbass.
Stay true to your ancestors, dude.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking dumbass. That guy's a fucking idiot. Look at this shit. The fucking hotel room was a complete mess. This fucking piece of shit takes a fucking lickety splits. The poor hotel lady had to clean it up. Look at this dirty piece of shit.
Who gives a fuck? That's what they're there for.
Fuck you, dude.
By the way, lickety split is a fucking dirty shit. I'm so glad I found my camera. I forgot it in the other room, and I got drunk last night, and I went back in the other room and I checked, and turns out it was there. Yeah, it's day 2 in Miami. R8's coming right now. We're gonna head over and look at some property and shit like that. So my fucking driver's here.
Hey guys, I wanted to let you know this guy's a fucking dumbass. Lost his camera.
Did I lose it though? Because it's here. So.
And he's an old piece of shit.
Okay.
Okay, hold this for me. I need to get this montage of me getting.
Say please. Say please and I'll do it.
Please.
No, say please without.
Please, pussy. Please, pussy.
Just say please without anything else, dude. I'll hold it.
I'm gonna leave this right here. Maybe I'll lose it. Maybe I won't lose it.
If it drops then. Say please, dude. Wow, this guy can't even do it.
Please, dude.
Hold your stupid fucking purse.
This is a fucking purse?
Anyways.
Where was it?
Yeah, it was sitting on the desk. Ron's like, I checked the whole fucking room, man. You didn't check shit. It was literally right there on the desk.
Fuck this guy, dude.
No, when you downshifted up revs for some reason, it's weird. I think it's because the air fuel is fucked up because of the thing.
Right, 'cause, dude, I've never driven an R. I've driven plenty of them, dude.
It's the air fuel. It's fucked up. Anyways, we're gonna fucking go. Bye.
And Allendale Beach Boulevard toward Gulfstream Park.
Where? Alright, we're gonna get fucking pull over in Miami because of this fucking.
It's okay, man.
Is it?
And it's fucking, it's a government plate.
Is it? How do you know?
Because it's yellow. The other one's got that fucking stupid gator shit. That's a fucking cop.
The other one's got that stupid gator shit. Or the Miami Heat shit.
Yeah, the Miami Heat.
If you keep fucking with me, Ron, you're gonna fucking end up over here, dude. Is that where you want to be?
Listen, guys, this guy's a fucking idiot. And, just to give you a heads up, there wouldn't be this vlog if this guy This guy got very lucky.
By the way, guys, if you haven't figured it out by now, he's stupid and I'm smart.
Much later.
Finally back in LA. Fucking Mark almost made us lose our fucking flight again. He always does this shit. Can't control himself. Look at him. He's such a fucking...
This concludes our trip. Yeah, we're not the fucking Nelk boys. I can't show you all the shit we did at the club and shit like that, you know. But I don't know, fuck Miami. It was fun and shit. You need like $20,000 if you want to have fun in Miami. Like
the $20,000 a night. Like, luckily, you know, I fucking broke the piggy bank, and let's just say your boy is gonna be eating some noodles for the next few days. You know what I mean?
Fuck, man. Anyways, yeah, I'm back in LA. So this concludes our fucking trip.
We literally partied at Mr. Jones in Miami till 7 a.m. They closed the club down for us and let us do fucking Limp Bizkit Nookie karaoke. It was fucking retarded. Jumped onto our plane. Now we're gonna go get our cars and go to a fucking podcast for Sarah Troy. Jesus Christ.
I'll link the podcast below. We're gonna do some fucking shit. Fucking. All right, I'll catch you guys later.
Mark's